Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. Maybe some of you don't know me yet, so let me introduce myself. I'm a carder, and I've been into carding since 2019. In today's video, I'm going to explain the basics of carding and show you how everything actually works behind the scenes. One important thing before we start, I won't be using the word carding again and again in this video. Instead, I'll call it secret. So whenever you hear the word secret, just remember I'm talking about carding, okay? Don't worry, today's video won't be very long, but it's going to be very useful. In this video, I'll teach you how to buy the secret properly, and I'll also show you how to use the secret in Free Fire. So make sure you watch till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because on this channel, you'll find more gaming-related content from basic level to advanced level, all explained with full security and safety. Alright, let's start the video. Now look, you can use any website to buy the secret, like VClub or Prozone. But in today's video, I'll be using United Market because it's more user-friendly and easy to understand. I'll also put the website link in the comments. First, let me log into my account. Now the reason I like this site the most is because from here you can not only buy the secret, but you can also purchase ready-to-use gift cards. So let me first add $20 to my balance. As you can see, the process is very simple, and you can easily do it as well. Alright, I've successfully added $20. Now let me buy the secret so I can show you everything step by step. If you want, you can also directly buy a gift voucher, but for this video, I'll go ahead and buy the secret to explain it clearly. Okay, the purchase is completed. Now click on the three-line menu, then go to Orders, and here you'll find all the details of your secret. For safety reasons, I'll blur the sensitive details. Now listen carefully. You'll need to use a VPN, and if you use RDP, that's even better. So after that, simply open Free Fire. Once Free Fire is open, go to the top-up section and select any pack. I'm purchasing a membership just to show you the full process. Make sure you use a new Gmail ID while topping up. Now, go to the payment method and select Secret. Enter your secret details and click on Confirm. Your secret details will be added successfully. Click Confirm once again and boom, your membership is successfully purchased. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it. And don't forget to comment below and tell me which topic you want in the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and keep going.